This is page 94. This is the one at the bottom of the page. Again, you make up your own melody in this key, and I'll play along with the accompaniment. That's in common time. We still need to look at the key and the time signature because the melody has to fit all that. I didn't cover that last lesson, shame on me. But common time is 4/4 time. This is in the key of G minor. It's 2 flats. It's a relative minor to B flat major. So the notes you're going to use are in the G minor positions here. So the white keys except for the B flat here. And they give you suggestions for the rhythm. The first 4 measures are introduction, so you're not playing there, you're just listening. And then you would start playing, and you just make something up. And they want eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Don't play my melody, I just made that up off that. You make up your own melody and do whatever. And where you're playing it, you can actually play it here if you want, because the accompaniment is in here, but still you're out of there. If you want to play it up here, I don't care. However you want to do it, there's no right and wrong here. And the speed, well, here it's a little easier to follow. A quarter note equals 132. It's just a little faster. It's a fast march is what it is. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those would be quarter notes. And eighth notes. Now, if that's too fast, of course, you can take it down. And if you can't follow a metronome that's beating that fast, then we simply take it down to half of that, which is what, about 66 is what we had the metronome on up above, isn't it? These would be half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how fast they suggest to go. Well, good luck keeping up with that, because that's how fast your rhythm is going to go. Yeah, whatever. I think that's a little fast, but I guess this is supposed to be like a party piece or a dance piece or something. I don't know.